Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can delete apps on Chromebook. Now, this is pretty straightforward, so let's start. So to start with, you can click on the launcher icon on the lower left corner of your screen and find the app that you want to remove. Now, let's say, for example, this one. So you can right click on it and click on uninstall. Now, it is going to remind you that data associated with this app will be removed from your Chrome device. Now, once you're ready, you can click on uninstall. Now, that app is removed from your Chromebook. Now, if you want to reinstall that app again, you can simply open up Play Store, search for that particular app, and click on install. And that app is going to be added again to your device. So there we have it, guys. This is how you can delete apps on Chromebook. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.